Hi everyone, myself Keshavraj, working in a Department of Mechatronics Engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering Technology. Today I am going to present about hydraulic pumps. Hydraulic pumps are essential components in hydraulic system. It generates flow of hydraulic fluid and maintaining the pressure need to perform in a mechanical work. The hydraulic pump converts the mechanical energy into an hydraulic energy for transmitting the power within the hydraulic system. There are various types of hydraulic pumps are available, like the gear pumps, van pumps, piston pumps, screw pumps, axial flow pumps, radial flow pumps. These are the various types of hydraulic pumps. Let's see one by one within a characteristics. So gear pump. Gear pumps works under the meshing of gears that rotating in a hearse. Gear pumps creates a chamber that traps and move the hydraulic fluid from the inlet into the outlet. The main characteristics of the gear pump is simple in design, compact, suitable for applications with a moderate pressure equipments or system. A gear pump is further classified into an internal gear pump and an external gear pumps. Next, van pump. Van pumps works under the principle of van. The vans mounted on a rotor that spins within a camring. The centrifugal forces causes in the vans. It turns to extend and retract, trapping and displaying the hydraulic fluid. The main characteristics of the van pump is efficiency, able to handle with a low pressure to moderate pressure. So for the mostly the industries are preferred the van pumps. Next one, piston pumps. Piston pumps is an working under reciprocating motion. The reciprocating pistons to draw in and expel hydraulic fluid. There are axial piston pump and radial piston pump. The piston parallel to the pump shaft is defined as an axial piston pump. The piston arranged radial around the shaft is defined as an radial piston pump. It's like a cylindrical operation. The main characteristic of piston pumps are highly efficiency and capable of providing high pressure outputs. They are suitable for various applications in a machineries for precision control and high power density like cranes, elevators. Next one, screw pump. Screw pumps are used to rotating screws to move hydraulic fluid from the inlet port to the outlet port. The fluid is trapped in the space between the threads and pushes along the screws. So the characteristics of this screw pumps is screw pumps are known for smooth and pulsating free flow. In these applications, their continuous and non-pulsating flow is crucially for the applications of screw pump. Next one, axial flow pumps. Axial flow pumps operates with a rotating propeller, otherwise impeller, that moves hydraulic fluid along the axis of the fluid. The main characteristics is of axial flow pumps are suitable for high flow, low pressure applications, mainly cooling systems. The cooling system used in the hydraulic press is axial flow pumps. Next one is radial flow pumps. Radial flow pumps having a rotating impeller that moves fluid outwards from the pump center to the pump's periphery. The main characteristics of radial pumps are used in applications where a combination of moderate pressure and moderate flow rate. So these are the various types of pumps and then characteristics. Next I am going to explain about the factors to be carried when selecting the hydraulic pumps. Mostly pumps are converting low pressure fluid to the high pressure fluid for the various applications. So for that we have to consider flow rate, pressuring rate, efficiency, fluid compatibility, speed of operation, duty cycle, temperature consideration, noise level of the fluid flow, mounting and installation of the system, budget constraints, reliability, maintenance and troubleshooting. These are the factors. The fluid can be flow within a proper pressure without dropping on it. The fluid pressure does not drop into the system. This is the main factor we have to consider. The required flow rate of the hydraulic system is a volume of hydraulic fluid that the pump must deliver per unit of the time. So the flow rates can be measured in the gallons or liters per minute. Efficiency. The efficiency of the pump involves how much of the volume of fluid can transfer. The hydraulic energy is converted into a mechanical energy. Based on that only the efficiency defines. The hydraulic pump is compatible with the hydraulic fluid used in the systems. Different pumps may be designed for specific types of hydraulic fluids, and choosing the right one prevents the issues such as fluid degradations or pump damages. The speed of operations. Like that, hydraulic and pneumatics we have two types of fluids. Here hydraulics operations having speed is compared to slower. The hydraulic fluid system is slower operation when compared to the pneumatic system, but the control is precise, more precise when compared to the pneumatic system. So it has the factors to be considered. Temperature. The temperature does not going to affect the environment of the components inside or outside of this system, because if we generate more heat in actuating the pistons inside these cylinders, it will create the frictions in it and the components will be damaged, and that components will affect the another components, so the entire system has to be spoiled. So temperature is one of the main parameters to be constraints. So these are the factors to be considered. Next, the type of gear pumps. I already said the gear pumps is two types, external gear pump and then also internal gear pump. When two gears are meshing externally, the fluid from inlet low pressure is converted into high pressure towards the outlet of the fluid. That is called as an external gear pump. When the gears are meshed internally, the fluid from the inlet low pressure fluid that also converted into high pressure fluid. It carried by the meshing of two gears internally by creating the crescent. The fluid carried out from the inlet port to the outlet port with the change of pressure low to high medium. This is an internal gear pump. These are the various types of pumps and characteristics are explained here. Next video I am going to explain about the detailed working principle of individual pumps. Thank you.